Sir, would you please like to say a few words?
Please, sir. आमिर की तारीफ में क्या क्या बोलोगे? ब्रांड एम्बेसडर आमिर है ना?
पिक्चर का डायलॉग है।
हाँ बोलिए सर।
आप पुरुष नहीं महापुरुष हैं।
और ये बोला है आमिर ने, ये देखो।
Before I make any double trouble,
सर माइक।
Before I make any trouble.
अरे सर आइए बोलिए सर।
Okay, so the association of Snapdeal with Big Boss has been really successful. The kind of integrations, brand associations, the virtual Big Boss house that was created for the first time really worked well for the brand. In fact, with Big Boss, Snapdeal became a household brand. This year, with the theme being double, I would keep the treble out and expect the integrations and everything to go double.
All right. Mr. Will Yang, would you like to add a few words about your association with Big Boss this year?
बोलो सर, दिल खोल के बोलो सर.
It's a very good news that we can...
Mic closer, sir, mic closer.
Okay. We are very excited to renew the association with Big Boss this year. And it really do a big help to our business and our branding awareness in this market. And we will cherish this moment, and we hope that we can have more opportunities in the coming years.
Sir, now if you say the same thing in Chinese.
Really?
Yes, yeah. Slowly.
Slowly. That is too long.
It
could be a little bit
try
long. Okay. 我们很高兴在这里和 Big Boss 做再一次的合作。
समझे क्या बोले? समझे? अरे बोल रहे इंडिया चीनी भाई भाई. Thank you.
Well,
Thank
on
you,
that
sir.
note,
Thank you.
I'd now like to please get a picture.
That time you're exhausted, so everything keeps on coming onto your head. But then there is a long association. And there's a huge connect with all the contestants inside. And as well as the whole, team, the Endomall team, the Colors team. So you start missing this whole thing after some time. I actually want to do something else, which we will do. Sir, ये studio leak हो रहा है, sir. Seriously? Something, yeah. No. यहाँ भी हो रहा है ना?
Over and above Big Boss.
What was I saying, sir?
Why you keep coming to Big Boss?
Yeah. So you start missing it, and मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो हमारी country है, जो हमारी country की youth है, वो एक दिशा में जा रही है. And I think Big Boss का ये जो show है, it's a window to that because celebrities, पढ़े लिखे लोग आते हैं, जिनका एक mind है, जो टेलीविजन पे बोलने से कतराते नहीं, डरते नहीं हैं, कुछ ओवर ड्रामेटिकली कर जाते हैं, तो कुछ बहुत ही सटली कर जाते हैं, कोई दिल से लड़ते हैं तो कोई दिमाग से लड़ते हैं. तो इट्स बेसिकली ये जो हमारी दुनिया की खिड़की, हिंदुस्तान की खिड़की ये है. और फिर जो आप लोग टीवी पर देखते हो, आप लोग उसको एंजॉय करते हो. अगर एंजॉय नहीं करते, तो then out of thought के यार ये क्या है, I want to be a part of it. But everyone enjoys it. Not only that, everybody who has come out of the Big Boss house he's been working every single day. Most of them. So it gives me great pleasure, in guiding them in the right direction. Sometimes people go overboard. I said, क्या मैं इनका father हूँ, मैं इनका brother हूँ, मैं क्यों बोलूँ? But then एक दायरा होता है, because you cross that limit, it doesn't be entertainment anymore. You cross that limit, you don't get work outside. So I just make sure that no matter what, sometimes I get a lot of criticism for, getting into this. It's not my space. Like there was Mr. Bachchan as a host. Whatever happened in the house, he just, didn't react to what happened in the house. But I get involved. With these people, when most of them are in touch with me even after Big Boss is over. So I feel that once I am there, let me, be a part of this. And the reason every time मैं सोचता हूँ कि मैं ये show नहीं करूँगा, क्योंकि because it starts affecting me. That is the reason why I keep on saying, let it go, yeah, let's not do this, एक और 13 लोग मेरी life में आ जाएंगे, Why do I have to do this? But then I just feel that it's a good show. It's about people. It's about relationships. That is where my connect is. मैं जितनी भी जो मेरे फादर की लाइफ की एक्सपीरियंस है, मेरी लाइफ की एक्सपीरियंस है, भाइयों की, दोस्तों की, जो भी लाइफ में देखा है अप्स एंड डाउन, वो मैं अगर इनके साथ शेयर कर सकता हूँ, then why not? That is my only thing for getting back to Big Boss all the time.
Hi, I have
डबल ट्रबल मेरे लाइफ में हमेशा ट्रबल ही होता रहता है, ये होता रहता है. तो ऐसे इस बार डबल आएगा, मैं नहीं होगा यार, मैनेज नहीं होगा इस बार. तो देन ऐसा कि नहीं, दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द होल शो. घर के अंदर ये होने वाला, ऐसा होने वाला, वैसा होना. आई थॉट इट वाज फनी एंड आई केप्ट ऑन सेइंग, हैव इट डबल समथिंग एल्स. बट आई थिंक द टीम वांटेड डबल ट्रबल, सो आई सेड क्या फर्क पड़ता है.
Can we get him a mic, please?
We can hear him.
अभी पता नहीं, आप देखो अभी.
okay.
अगर मैं एक कहना चाहता हूँ,
ऐसा थोड़ी होगा कि सिर्फ लड़के जाएंगे या लड़की जाएंगे. जाएगा ना सर, सब जाएंगे. भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार के कैरेक्टर्स जाएंगे सर इस बार. अतरंगी सर.
I have a question for Mr. Jaikishan.
हेलो सलमान जी.
जी.
इसमें डबल ट्रबल है, तो क्या आपके भी 2 रूप देखने को मिलेंगे, प्रेम और दबंग?
मेरे तो आपको हमेशा इतने सारे रूप देखने को मिलते हैं, और 2 से क्या करोगे, 200 रूप देखने मिलते हैं आपको मेरे, और मैं आपको फ्रीली अलाउ भी करता हूं.
हेलो,
दो और चाहिए आपको?
और चाहिए बहुत
202 कर दूं मैं?
202 कर दीजिए.
चलिए आपके लिए.
ओके. एंड मिस्टर विलियंग, आप यू हैव एसोसिएटेड विद बिग बॉस. दिस इज द सेकंड टाइम योर एसोसिएशन विद बिग बॉस.
Yes.
सो हाउ वाज इट हेल्प यू टू बिल्ड ब्रांड लाइक?
I think this is probably the most biggest and popular reality shows in India market. We agree that, and really fortunately they can get Salman Khan on board. Is another fortune.
You said India Mate? Huh?
Global way.
Huh?
Global way. We know Big Boss in China as well. So I think this is really for a new brand, because everybody knows that Oppo is not a very strong brand in the past. So when we come in this market, we definitely need a great show and exposure to this market. So I think this is really good fortune to us.
Right.
Hi, my question is for Mr. Raj Nayak. Sir, Colors has been consistent #1 for last couple of weeks. What are the strategies that you are working on?
आप ही की है.
we are associated with all the right people, as good as that.
What are the strategies that you are working on to spruce up on the marketing and the programming front?
ये भी. Sir, सवाल पूछो.
At Colors, we actually don't look at the scoreboard. We just keep playing the game. We give it our best shot, And it's
Sir,
not...
अभी तक तो इतना सच बोल रहे थे sir.
Yeah, but over the next few months, you'll see quite a few new launches, and the idea is to consolidate and build from here.
सलमान
डबल बोलो पूछो साथ में पूछो साथ में जवाब दूंगा सर हर पॉजिटिव चीज डबल होने से सर मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है और हर नेगेटिव चीज उसका आधा होने से मुझे सर बेहद खुशी होती है सर अब समझ जाओ यार
सलमान
Yeah.
लेफ्ट यहाँ सलमान आपके रियल लाइफ में कोई आपको इतना ट्रबल किया है?
ये बड़ा ही सुलझा हुआ सवाल आने वाला है ये हाँ
सर,
ये सलमान ये बड़ा गहरा ये बड़ा डीप ये बड़ा सोच कर हाँ ये मतलब कि ये सवाल ऐसा आएगा कि चलो लास्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज ये वाला जी सर पूछिए अरे
नो आई एम आस्किंग यू
अरे रेमो की शक्ल का है
I'll take that as a compliment. Salman, talking about your real life, has anyone from the industry ever troubled you more than once?
Not really, sir. I don't think there's anyone who has troubled me. If there's anybody responsible for my troubles, I think it's, it's my luck, it's my destiny, it's me, it's stuff like that. It's my journey. It's my journey. And only from, see, when एक होता ना जैसे check कि अगर ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता मेरी life के अंदर छोटा मोटा तो I would have been a different person. So it just keeps everything छोटा trouble होना चाहिए life के अंदर. So it keeps you grounded somewhere. It keeps you real somewhere. It keeps you balanced. You don't think no end of yourself. It knows कि यार ये किसी भी तरफ जा सकता है. You can come out of it, you can, get stuck into this. So you're there, you're Suljawa. As soon as you come in, I've seen a lot of people come in, they start thinking no end of themselves. And then finish, out, gone. We've been lucky, and plus I've got a very strong family support, which, keeps me going. My friend circle, especially the press, has been really kind to me.
Salman, one more. Salman.
Bharti Singh chata maro ye.
Let's take yours.
Salman, one more thing.
Yeah.
One thing that we have been looking forward for the past seasons and which has not happened is perhaps your reunion with Shah Rukh on Bigg Boss. He has always had a film to be released. So will we see it happen this time? Because you have always been extending an invitation. He has also been open to coming and promoting his film on Bigg Boss. So a film with you and Shah Rukh is not a possibility. So at least a reunion on Bigg Boss.
No, film with him and me on the same day is a possibility.
But what about on Bigg Boss? Dilwale is also coming up.
No, I don't think. He'll be busy to go inside. No, I don't think he'll go in. Oh, I'm promoting.
Salman is
No, I would love him. I would love him to now see. He knows that I don't mean it. It means if he has the dates and if he wants to come onto the show, he's more than welcome. If he wants to come and go and spend some time with the contestants, he's more than welcome. So I would put it as this, not as I would love him and I want him to come on the show and stuff like that, because then it's carried away in a different thing and there's pressure put there. So he's coming, he should come, he should promote, come have fun, go inside, chit chat with the contestants, give them, his life's experience. He's got a lot of experience in life. And then that's it.
Salman, on your right. Salman, yeah. आप कब double होंगे?
दिख नहीं रहा है?
नहीं, मैं इस double की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. कब शादी करेंगे?
मैंने प्यार किया से लेके आज तक डबल ही हूँ. अब ट्रिपल भी होने जा रहा हूँ मैं सुल्तान के लिए.
नहीं शादी की. कब शादी करेंगे आप?
The eternal question.
What do you think?
Whenever you say, Salman, I'm already in my white dress. Just saying, guys, we all get carried away. Let's take the next question.
No, why you say that? I'm getting carried away right now. Press भी है, stage भी है, शादी होती है, खर्चा भी बढ़ जाएगा. But for how long?
I was thinking for a lifetime. What were you thinking?
No, no.
We live in India. आप क्या सोच रहे हैं?
शादी लाइफ टाइम के लिए थोड़ी होती है यार. कौन से जमाने में जी रहे हो आप? Not happening.
That's really sad. Let's take the next question, guys.
कौन है टेम्पररी शादी किससे करूं मैं?
Hi, my question is to Mr. Deepak.
आपसे.
Hi, my question is to